This screencast is to demonstrate how to add a discussion into the Canvas LMS. You can add a discussion directly from the Discussions tab over here on the left, or you can also create a new discussion from a module. So I'm going to go through the module process. From here, I would like to include a discussion for participants or students to introduce themselves. So from the actual module, I'm going to click the plus sign in the top right corner. The default is always to add an assignment. However, you can use the drop-down arrow to add any of the 5 items: an assignment, quiz, file, page, or a discussion. So I'm going to select a discussion and I'm going to create a new topic. When I create a new topic, I'm required to enter in a title below. Once I enter in a title, I'm going to select the blue Add Item. You can then see that a line appears for this particular discussion. When I click on the title, Introduction Chromebook 101, I'm taken to another page where there is a blank discussion. So I need to update it with some content. In the top right corner, there are 3 dots. So I'm going to select the 3 dots and choose Edit to edit this particular discussion. Here, I'm given kind of a rich text editor. I'm going to paste the information that I would like to share, or that I would like for participants to share. I am going to change some of the formatting. I might not want that bold. I want to update some of these pieces. And on this rich text editor, I can also insert a number of other pieces. I can link, I can add images, media, videos, documents. I can embed directly on this discussion or in this rich text editor. And this rich text editor is also, again, the same view that you will have on a page, on a file, and things like that, and an assignment. So here I'm going to add an image just to kind of have some engagement, and I'm choosing to upload it from my computer. So from here, from my device, I am going to add, let's see if this is it. Yep, I'm going to add this image just to say hello. You always add alternate text and choose Submit. Once the image appears, and it may take a second, you can edit the size by clicking on it and choosing the image or the squares in the corners. You can also use the icon to center it, make it right, left, indent, and so on. Now there are some options with the discussion board. You can select users must post before seeing replies. You can make this a graded assignment. You can add podcast feed that will go in kind of a linear order. You can also allow liking. This is for adults, so I'm going to check all of those items. You can also apply points to this if it is a graded assignment. If it isn't graded, then that will not be an option. So I'm going to go ahead and select graded again. Then you can require some other items, but I'm going to go ahead and set a due date. So this course is one that's open for a while, so I'm just going to make it the end of the session. And you can select when you want it to be available from and until. You do not have to select an until date. You can just leave that blank and it'll be accessible pretty much all the time. So once I have these items, you can select Save and Publish or Save in the bottom corner, and then it will be available for you and for your users. Keep in mind, you can see Student View in the top right and what it would look like for the particular person. So this, again, is how to create and edit a discussion board.